Hi guys, this is Fiat 500. The reason why I'm doing this video is to show you the position of the fuse box. There are two fuse boxes on this car. This one, it's located here. You take out this and then you see the fuse box is that side on the passenger side. So another one is gonna be in the engine here. You can see that's where you also find another fuse boxes. You get me? So lab, that's good. So if you check, all these fuses are fine. Wow. So he was fixing for me that. Let me look. Okay, wait. You close or you lock? Did you lock? Unlock. So it doesn't work. So we're trying to change the fuse. Maybe it's bent also. No, that's okay. That's unlocking. Okay, put in the battery. Okay, it's fine. And you can lock. This means the batteries are yes, quiet. So you see now, no guys, we're trying to test something, but also that's what they wanted to show you, the fuse box. Here's the fuse box. Then we're done. So don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next video. So we're trying to fix something. If you can switch off, it's okay. Let me open for him. Okay, it doesn't what?
The one got short, the boot.
Got it. Okay,
The short is on the boot. I mean something wrong there.
so you're gonna have to.
Means you need to do it manually. The boot. Yeah.
So you're gonna switch it off, or
We have to unplug it.
okay?
If that machine will be fault somewhere.
The machine is faulty. Okay, so it causing some problem. So which means okay, it's fine. So it took out. Okay, it's fine. We're gonna lock here. Gonna try to open. It locks and it unlocks.
Lock it from in.
Let me lock it. Yeah, it works 100%. So
Something wrong. Your boot got fault. That machine for the boot.
So
That's the one got short.
So okay. Let me see. So the machine for the boat, it says it doesn't work. So that's it, guys. So I don't know what we're gonna do. Can I open for you? Okay, we're gonna open it. Then we see what we do with the boat machine. Okay. So we change the fuse. The doors were not working. Then it's working now. They are working. Okay. Okay. Super fine. So if you got your doors not opening, so you got to check your fuse. So we check the fuse there, because there we couldn't find one, but here we can see the fuses here, but you have to know which one is which. So that's the problem now. So the electrician is trying to help me to do this, but then I took a chance to show you the position because I didn't know where the fuses are. So you can see there are a couple of fuses here. Okay, 7 fives. Yeah, that's it. So he went to the machine, he's going to change it. think all is gonna be fine after when it does that. But don't forget why we did this video is to show you where the fuse boxes are. This. So your fuse for the bonnet, for the doors, it's in there up. So all of these, I don't know what are they for, but if you find your car still have a cover, it can show you there's a lot even here down. A lot here, you can see. So yeah. Yeah, this is a good car, but now if things like that happen, you must consult your electrician to help you do this, fix this. So he's gonna try to see if we can fix that. If he fixes that, that is fine. So, but what was confusing is where the fuse box is. It's not easy to access. You have to take out this thing. Okay, I'm sorry. You have to take out this thing, the entire thing, this one. So it has 2 screws here and also here. So you take them out. It sits in like. It sits in like this, you get me? So it's gonna be locked. So after taking up to this, then you manage to access. So he took out the screws here and here. Then he just did like this, took out this. Then well, all was fine. But then when you put in the first fuse, he was checking all the fuses. He has a machine to check. When he did the first fuse, then the first fuse, what it did, it bent. So what that means that one of the fuse was not working. So something was a short, which makes this to bend. So guys, that's it. I was supposed to conclude the video for so long, but I haven't done that because every time I see something to talk about. So this is something which you can fix yourself. If the doors are not opening, then you choose you check your fuse inside here, you get me? Yeah guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video, and share if you can, and also comment. That's gonna motivate us to make more videos like this. Every car I get, if I get a problem, so I try to do as much as I can to share with you guys. Thanks, and see you in the next video.